everyone, and for today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of my new Germawand Chic. It's a sterilizer. It's a UVC sterilizer from Lyfsaber, Philippines. So let's open. Yes. So here is it. Lyfsaber, merong back, and it's in bubble wrap, so to make sure the product arrives safe and secure, so naka-bubble wrap siya, and let's open. So I already sanitized this with alcohol and Lysol. Itong package niya. Sanitize this again. So, ito siya. This is the item. It's the Lyfsaber Chic Portable UVC Sanitizer. So, yon. So, let's read the box first. So, dito sa likod, merong nakalagay na Lyfsaber Chic Portable UVC Sanitizer. It eliminates up to 99.9% of harmful germs, bacteria, viruses, allergens, and molds using UVC light technology and ozone. Another thing is, it's perfect for sanitizing computers, keyboards, pillows, furniture, countertops, carpets, mattresses, utilities, and more. And it's lab-tested, chemical-free, and doctor recommended. Yes. So needs only 30 seconds to kill germs and bacteria. So it also has dito nakalagay sa likod ng box how yung parang paano yung mga button, kung anong gamit ng mga indicators sa button. So you know na sealed yung product kasi merong nakalagay dito na rin sticker with Lyfsaber na. And let's open. Wow! So I ordered the pink one with maganda siya kasi meron siyang parang rose gold dito sa ibabaw. And then, ito siya. Very lang. Ganito lang kalaki. Ito yung connector niya. And then, we're gonna see if merong instructions pa dito. So, meron siyang, dito, manual. So, the first one is the UV touch button. So, asan to? I think you need to, open. Wait lang, ha? This is the USB charging port. Meron ditong, press, nandito pala instruction. Sorry. Nandito instruction. Press and hold for 1 second to turn off. And press and hold for 3 seconds, turn on. Ay, ba't kung paano to? Oh my gosh, I don't know how to use this one. So, basahin muna natin. Ito, merong nakalagay dito na caution. Dito. So, prohibit humans and pets from UV shining and from children use. Stay close enough to the object when in use. Then, unpacking the item without permission leads to electric shock. Do not use such liquid as water to clean the products. So, nandito naman lahat sa manual yung mga niya, parameters, product parameters, like yung irradiation range, continuous use time, radioactivity, yung battery. So, nandito lahat yon. So, nakalagay dito, fast charging siya. So, it's also forbidden to be used using kung nagcha-charge ka, hindi dapat siya gamitin. And then, the red light is always on when charging and off when fully charged. So, ayun. So, meron din ditong mga precautions. Tinanong ko yung sister-in-law ko who is also a nurse. And, sabi niya, one thing to consider when buying ganito is make sure that yung parang bulb niya, yung light niya is naka-cover to avoid yung parang madamage or mabuak, ma-break siya. So, ayun. Yung problem ko dito is paano to buksan. So, I think you have to like, ooh. Ganito. Oh, yun pala. Ganon pala. Ayun. Ano pala siya? Oh my God. So, I hope this will turn off on its own. Oh my God, paano ko yun? Oh, yun. So, I guess the turn off button is nandito lang siya sa side na to. When using this one, dapat naka-down siya. Avoid ganon sa mata mo. Meron siyang bad effect pag ginanon mo yung light and then dinirect mo rin sa skin. So, make sure na pag ginamit nyo is meron kayo sa table or lalagyan, then saka nyo gamitin. Huwag doon sa lap. Parang ganun. Tapos doon kayo That's it. Bye! See you on my next one. I'll be doing shout out on my next video. Bye!